Hi guys, I wanna make a bread and I wanna make it pink. So I'm gonna make first. So before we will just make it, so I'm gonna make the biggest cake ever that I have met. So I make it a bread, so I didn't make it. So I just buy that and bake it to a hot bread circle. So I'm gonna make that pink. So all the stuff and the sprinkles, I make it nice. And I take it a picture. And I'm gonna start now this. Before we will start, I will make the biggest bread ever. This is the circle bread and all and the stuff. And I don't really like the real stuff that is not gold. So this is my spatula over here, and this is the spatula spoon, and this is the red here. And you see that it's like a monster heels. So this is the water. I use it nice. So I really like the one that I like the bread. So before we'll start, I will just make the water here, and I'll just start before making the water. So I got this sprinkles. That is cheese. I don't really, and I you just read that cheese curls. So I'm just gonna make it that big because I make that to the oven. So before I will start, I'll make first my spatula. I don't really clean this. I'll just open this and the cranes there. Just do that and spatula that over. So I make it pinker. I don't really like the cheese sparkles like that. So before we'll start this, and I'm making my spatula overnight. See, it's rings there. There's a sparkle. So I like always the pinkest warm ever that I met. Okay, so um, we're gonna color this in the back side of the things that I really like the bread. So let's dry this up first. Okay, we're back from the bread. So look at this thing. Get a spatula over there. So in the back, we're gonna have a spatula. I make this bread really nice. It's made in China. I don't really like the color. So before we just start, I I like this bread, but I wanna eat it. So I just dropped the spatula spoon. Sorry. So I like always to make a nice bread here. So let's try this. Okay, we're back to this spatula and let's make it this spatula again. So I don't really clean the spatula and we'll try this.